I'm happy for you, but I don't get it though. Why do you insist on adopting that kid? You want to know the truth? Yeah, tell me.
Huh? Flax seeds. I've not even used it. You should be doing. Goma, is there egg? Hi, good morning. Thank you for joining this live stream. Thank you for joining this puzzle. Impossible number puzzle. Are you sure you're game to answer it? The answer is what? 21. Okay, but this is not normal arithmetic. This is a logical reasoning puzzle. A logical reasoning puzzle. So you have to reason. It's not just a straightforward arithmetic we know. Oh, you're young. Oh, sorry, my dear. You're welcome. 21, you're right. 10 plus 11 is 21, actually. Thank you. I know that's how far you can go. But this is a puzzle. It's a puzzle. Before you get the answer, you have to solve for 2 plus 3. Yeah, what made 2 plus 3 to be 8? What made 4 plus 5 to be 36? 6 plus 7 to be 80. Then 8 plus 9 to be 140. Then you find 10 plus 11. Fine, at your age, 10 plus 11 is 21. But logically reasoning, yeah, logically reasoning is a different ball game because you have to look for the pattern, you have to look for the rule or the steps taken, the formula. You know about formula from school. But I have to eat. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice meal. Thank you for joining me, my sweetheart. Okay. Yes, you said you want to eat, but you keep dropping different answers. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that. Had the words, had the cut. I don't understand what you've just dropped. Okay, no problem. Thank you. You wait till your mother calls your name to come and eat. Okay, no problem. Thank you for joining. That's nice of you. You're a darling. Okay, you said what? 3,100. Well, keep trying, keep trying, keep trying. Let's see. Wow, 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 wow. You're getting close. How are you doing it? Wow. Wow, how you doing it? That's impressive. How you doing it? Ofofo, B, Bio, B. Whoa. Biebele. Please come. Has Fine Furry gone to the market? Has Fine Furry gone to the market? Bring that his list. Let me put a marker. I think marker is 200. Mm. Bring the list. Let me write marker. Green, two blue. What's that? I've told Daddy when he's coming, she should buy roll for us from that supermarket. He wants to go. Hmm? Wait, where is that? Jehovah's Witness paper that I wrote? Where is that this thing I wrote? Is I can't find it. I'm coming. I will remember. Let me see if I can remember offhand. It's okay, sure. Please get me my medicine bag and my water. Is there still bread in the fridge? Check for me, check for me. Or you give me rice, let me eat rice. I'm buying milk for this thing. Mm. See the marker you're buying, two green, two blue. Mm? Then I sent you money now. You see me? I sent 5,000 to you for sweet potato, 2 cups of powder milk. When you're entering, as you're going to that place, there's a woman that sells popcorn. She sells flour around that step side. Just ask her when you reach there, tell her you want to buy flour, those baking things. The woman is just on that road near that lady that sells those spices. Before the spices lady. Then if you go, you should measure this milk. So tell her to give you 2 cups. I think it's 1,000. Then buy cucumber 1,000. Yeah? I'll give you. Just bear with me. I'll give you. Thank you. So the shombo, let them remove the seed. Shombo is 1,000 tomatoes. Ground the onion, all of them. With the tomatoes and the shombo. Then the rest. Tell this lady to help me buy a tamarind. If she sees the cut, the one they cut, let her buy that one. The one that they dried. That one is full. This thing I've been talking, this thing I hope it will not say it has stayed too much. I'm sending you the money for the marker. It has failed. I think it's almost 3,000. When you come back, I'll give to you. But I use 1,000 and buy the marker. When you come, I'll give you 4,000. I've wasted time. Now I have to start all over again. I'll still send you the marker money. See the list. Am I doing it to you? Okay. Where did you buy the potato the other time? Yeah. 979 3235 912. Insurance code 1. Let's start over again now. You go in, I'm sending it. I'm sending it again because I don't have markers again. Okay.
I like you pass it that this is again. Things now that we see. The light is there, so
Let's see. Okay, that's nice, Universal. Thank you. Penguins and potatoes. Thank you very much for dropping your answer. Oh, not 21. We are not doing normal arithmetic, please. This is a logical reasoning puzzle. Yeah, it's like over here we'll call it quantitative reasoning. Yeah, you reason. It's not like what we are being taught in the school. Yeah, but in a different way. So you have to think very well. You reason, you think outside of the box. Yeah, yeah. So just look at it again. Look at it again. This is where your equation comes to play. Yeah, so it's not the normal classroom 1 plus 1 2 arithmetic. Yeah, yeah, it's not the 1 plus 1 2 arithmetic. 2 plus 2 is 4 arithmetic. This is, thank you for the thumbs up. This is a logical question, in the sense that your reason comes into play in this. And this kind of puzzle is really, really helpful because it helps you to focus. You focus more to know why it's like this, to know why 2 plus 3 is equals to 8. You understand me? So you think well. You think well. So just writing 10 plus 11, 21 isn't what we need right now. Yeah, we are talking about logical reasoning. Logical reasoning. There are so many benefits doing this puzzle. Yeah, doing this puzzle will help you expose and improve your capability of problem solving. Yeah, it helps you to solve problem. You have that problem solving skills. You have the ability to ravel or uncode some problems. You don't just sit. You think. It makes you to think better. It makes you to think better. Okay, so doing this kind of puzzle helps to train the brain to think. Yeah, I keep using that word, think logically and find solutions. Yeah, you find solutions step by step. For you to get this puzzle, you have to solve it step by step. The solution has to be done step by step. In school, the way we are being taught, even without using your pen, your calculator to calculate, most of the arithmetic we do, we can just close our eyes and say, yeah, 1 plus 1 2. We can count our fingers to answer it. You understand? Yeah, those days growing up, we even count our toes here. When there is addition, subtraction, we count our fingers, count our toes to make sure we get the answers. Fine. But right now, you think deeper. Yeah, you think deeper because you're trying to solve a problem that is not just ordinary, because you're going to think outside the box. Yeah, you leave your comfort zone of 1 plus 1 equals to 2 to solve. This one is not like problem solving. You understand? So this is a logical puzzle. So doing this kind of puzzle and the way you think and start solving them step by step will now help your memory. It boosts your memory. It makes your memory faster. It makes your memory to think faster because, okay, like people that are always looking for job, there are this aspect of a quantitative reasoning, logical questions that they will just give to you, Ordinarily, you can look at it and you say, "Ah, this might be easy," but when you get deep into it, you now understand that this is logic. So this is what is before us now. So regular puzzle solving, the more you solve puzzle, it helps to improve your concentration and your memory retention. You can imagine. Yeah, I'm not surprised when I go through my analytics that I have more elderly people. Yeah, I have more elderly people doing this puzzle with me, and I'm very, very happy. I'm grateful. After the puzzle, they still come to my comment section. We still rub mind, we solve and continue solving. So you see, so it helps to improve your memory. Regular solving of puzzle improves our concentration and memory retention, you understand. Yeah, so with doing that, it now in it enhances, yeah, it helps our critical thinking, the way we think, the way we think, we now think deeper. We don't just take things at the surface level. When we see problems, we think deeper beyond what we see. You see, 2 plus 3 to be 8, you have to think beyond what is supposed to be. Normally 2 plus 3 is equals to be 5, but right now is 8. So what you do, you now think beyond the normal arithmetic, you understand. So this will now help us sharpen our thinking, our critical way of thinking. Yeah, so doing puzzle helps people to analyze patterns, because there is a pattern behind this puzzle. There is a rule, there is a formula. There is a rule, there is a formula. You can call it a rule or you can call it a formula. Yeah, we all know what they call formula. We all know what they call rules. So there is a rule or a formula that is to be used to get this answer. So it's for you to identify that pattern, that formula, or the rule. Once you identify the pattern or the rule, you can now use it to solve this puzzle. You understand? You can now use it to solve this puzzle. So I don't know if I'm talking too much. Okay, so with this, people learn how to like analyze patterns, relationship, and different way of making decision. That's what puzzle helps you to do. It makes your mind to think better. It helps the mind. It helps the brain. It helps the mind. Yeah, and it also increases your creativity. Doing puzzle helps you, or helps your creativity to be very, very accurate. Yeah, it helps our creativity. You can imagine, how did I come about this? I had to solve, I had to put 2 3 things together to get this. So it's helping my creativity, it's helping your creativity trying to solve it also. And when you get the answer right, that's the best thing. Someone like me, when I get the answer right, I start smiling. My smile will not end for that day. So you can imagine. So many puzzles requires thinking outside the box. Yeah, thinking outside the box and approaching problems from different angles, new ways of getting the answer. And I would like to appreciate it if you get the answer and you don't mind putting out the solution, the steps you took to get the answer. I don't mind that. I always like that, because I might have used a different way to arrive at my answer. So I really like it when people get the answer using another different method to arrive at the same answer. It gladdens my heart. So I'm always happy when I see that. So approaching problems from different angles, okay? So as I said, it also increases our concentration and how we focus to look at things. Yeah, how we focus to look at things. You know, when you're solving puzzle, it requires attention. You have attention to every detail. If you miss one, you'll get it wrong. So you have to create that attentive memory, yeah, to every detail. So that helps you to help people to, that's I don't know, in a way it's helping people to focus for longer period. Yeah, you focus for a longer period, you look at it, you check it. Am I really right? Let me go back again, let me check my steps if they are in order. Let me see if my multiplication numbers are in order, division they are in order, and all those stuff. You understand? So you now become very, very attentive when you do things. Okay, so doing puzzle is not just physical exercise. I always tell people, normally in the mornings, Saturdays, we go out, we do exercise, we'll carry up, we'll raise up our hands, we raise up our legs, we do plank, we do different kinds of exercise, kickboxing, all those kind of exercises. But have you thought about exercising your brain? No. How do we exercise our brain? We don't just use our brain to look for money. We don't just use our brain to like do this, do that, do that, do that, do that. You have to exercise the brain also. You exercise your hand. You exercise your neck after sleeping if your pillow is not well placed. You exercise your neck. You exercise your leg. If you've been walking so much and your legs are paining you, you exercise it, you massage it. Have we ever thought about exercising our brain? No, 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 no. So, puzzle is just like a physical exercise that strengthens the brain. Yeah, it strengthens the brain, also the body. Yeah, puzzle helps to keep the brain very active and healthy because you're not using it in a positive way, in a less stressful, positive way. That's why I tell you, this puzzle, I don't make it to be like a time bound something. No, I want you to be relaxed when you're solving it. You're relaxed, you just solve it, yes, in a relaxed mood. So when you're not solving it in a positive and relaxed mood, you're in a way exercising the brain. Please give me thumbs up as you're coming up. Double tap on your screen, double tap on your screen, please, and click on the heart emoji. Love you very much. So it's a way of making the brain to be active and healthy, and once the brain is active, is healthy. Yes, if your brain is active, that means your brain is healthy. You can see most people when they are not like in a good state of mind, you can see that they are not feeling fine, their brain is not healthy. Sorry to say that, but the more you do puzzle, the more your brain is active. And the more it's active, your brain is healthy. So they work hand in hand. So doing challenging puzzles teaches people easily. As you're doing this puzzle, you will not give up easily. You will just like, no, I must get this answer. How can 2 plus 3 be 8? Who says so? Who says so? So that will not make you to like step by, okay, keep solving. So with that, it gives you that patience. Yeah. And you have that persistence, you understand? So challenging puzzles will help people to not to give up easily and keep trying different angles, different approach to the puzzle. So that really helps. You understand? And I've said it before that it reduces stress. Yeah, because puzzle relaxes people. Puzzle is a relaxer. It relaxes you, it relaxes your nerves, your muscle, your mind, your brain, everything about you. It relaxes you. There is no tension when doing puzzle because you've not shifted your attention away from your daily worries. Yeah. Puzzle will make you to shift your attention from your daily worries. You don't need to worry. You're now in a relaxed, stressless mood. Yeah, it's not an exam, but it will keep you calm. It will relax you. It will relax you. I tell you that for free. So puzzle relaxes you, and in another way, it improves your mathematical skill. Yeah, it improves your mathematical skill. Yeah, puzzle helps to improve mathematical skill. It strengthens your arithmetic, your reasoning, and your numerical confidence. That's what puzzle gives to you. I, as a person, I love maths. From maths to puzzle, I know how happy I am doing this. You might say, your host, I'm telling you, I love maths, I love puzzle. I love it when I face puzzle challenge. Yeah, when you're facing the puzzle challenge, it's very, very interesting. So you're not like, okay, let me equate it to the real world. You'll be able to withstand anything. You cannot easily give up on things. Yeah, when you meet problems, you meet challenges, you will not be able to give up easily. You don't give up easily because you've not created that confidence in you. You understand? So, and all the same, all play and all work and no play makes Jack or John or Julie a lazy girl or boy. So puzzle in a way creates fun, gives you that that is funny, that is fun, full of fun. Yeah, puzzle make learning enjoyable for both children and adults. Yeah, so it creates that fun in the family. Children can come together with their parents, look at this puzzle. Okay, let's see who will get the answer right. Just throw the challenge open. Everybody in the house will be like, okay, let's do it. Okay, Kishav Gadia, thank you for your answer. So it do not be like a challenge. Everybody now, your pen and your paper. Let's sit down and solve this puzzle. Let's see who is going to get it. You can see the fun, you can see the happiness, the joy, the togetherness, family coming together to do this puzzle. So it creates fun. It creates fun for both children and adults, and for more especially adults, because it makes you to forget your worries. Children, they don't have any problem, but for adults, it will make you to forget about your problems, your worries. You just shift it aside, relax your mind. After your puzzle, you can just go back to those things, and it will start falling into place. You understand? So puzzle is really, really interesting. Yeah, puzzle is really, really interesting. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. So let me tell you, your everyday puzzle solving, yeah, the everyday, or as long as you keep solving puzzles, it makes your brain stronger. That's the exercise. It makes your brain stronger because you now think in a positive way. You now think in a better way, in a better form. You understand? And faster. You now have that skill of solving problem faster. You have the skill now. As you're doing it, you're building that skill. You're building that skill. You're building that skill. You understand? So you now know how to be faster finding solution to your everydays. So thank you everyone. Thank you very much for joining me. Please don't forget to double tap on your screen. Please double tap on your screen. Click on the emojis. I'm here. If there is any question you want to ask, please drop that question. I'm here. Okay. Ariane, Ariane, thank you very much. Thank you for dropping your answer. So give me a thumbs up. As you're dropping your answer, you give me the thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel if you've not done so. Please subscribe to the channel because I do live stream every day. I do puzzle live stream. I do a live stream about my lifestyle. Yeah, as a mother of 5, as a working mother, how I coordinate, how I put my house in order. You understand? And I teach you how to do delicious dishes, how to run your home. So many things that you're going to learn from me, apart from the puzzle. That was also part of this channel, because the channel is a lifestyle with tutorials. That's the name of the channel. I'm supposed to like showcase what I do, how I live my life, how I cope with my children. I'm a mother of five, you know. So you will learn from me, I will learn from you. If you have any question, you drop. If there is anything you do to make things easier for yourself, you let me know, I will learn from there. So, but as a mother, I love mathematics. I love maths. So that's why I said, no, my puzzle and maths life can't go away from my lifestyle. So I have to include it. Yeah, I have to include it together. Yeah. My puzzle is here with my lifestyle channel. So you're free. I have so many videos there. You can go and check my other puzzle, my lifestyle videos. You can check them. If there is any question anywhere, you have any hands, anything to know about me or about the puzzle, about the channel, about YouTube, you're free to drop it. Or and if you have any feedback, anything you want me to talk about, any other puzzle, or at times I put out some puzzle, I notice that some people don't really look at it. Yeah, because it's like it's looking like more of a school like a school like topic, and I don't want to jump into that. It's only when you people give me that go ahead to include some mathematical aspect of a normal, that's normal mathematics, normal mathematical topics, then I can add those topics to this puzzle. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you. Please give me the thumbs up and double click on your screen. Thank you. I'm here. I'm watching. Thank you very much. Big girl, this sweet. Boma, bum bum love. Mm. Who is there? Who is there? I've been shouting, who is there? Who is there? Come now. Or you do, help me slice the plantain. You slice it. Have you put it inside? And it's on the hot pan. Okay, come closer. See what you do. You get me water. What's in the fridge there to eat? No, there's water. What's in the fridge to eat? What did you eat? Wash my cucumber and bring for me. Let me eat first. Is the cake still remaining? You slice small cake for me. Let me eat. Bring the bread. Hmm?
What can I bring you for?
Huh?
Oh. Okay, then. Like what? I should bring the cake.
Cut the cucumber into two. Then give me small slice of cake. You didn't scrape the body well now. Mama, you didn't scrape it well. Big girl. Be my sweet. Be my sweetheart. Big girl. Uh-uh. All these sweet, sweet names. You were shouting her. When I was shouting big girl, be my sweet, you were shouting her. And yeah, take this plate. I said, give me small rice. And you know, don't put plenty stew for me. Just little.
How many spoons is there?
Maybe two because of the this I want to drink. Okay, Helen. Hmm. Helen. Helen said 220. Okay, no problem. No problem. By the time we solve the answer, you can come back and check. But right now, I want the video to get to more people. I'm going to solve it at the end of the puzzle. Cooking.
Daddy said she could be best.
You.
Means that you should cook the
No.
And we're ordering plantain and onion. This is getting the box.
I want the water to go down very well.
Last week I electric fan.
B, I told you I don't eat meat again. I said I've told you I don't eat meat again. Huh? I'm not hearing you. I have what? Not meat, beef kind of protein. Come and take. Come and put this other fan that is far at lowest. Hi, Sir Jenny. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for dropping your answer. Please double tap on the screen and subscribe to the channel. Glorious in this land. Good morning. I'm using another this thing. Good morning, how everybody? Thank you. Thank you. I will see your this thing at the shot from the laundry stuff. You know, when I was watching that live, I didn't look at your eyes. That me asking the two. So. So when I call look, I say, I see my bros eye. You so no, it's fine. It's fine. I noticed that this thing, because of that your eyes, you know that this thing went very up. That shot. I told you that. When I saw it this morning, it was 900 and something. You can imagine. And so it's like that one too. Hey, up you. Please let me know when you're up. Let me know. Oh. Me, I don't know why this my prompt need to figure your kind of a thumbnail.
Okay, you know what? There's something I use. Maybe I'll send my prompt.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Beast's prompt.
Okay.
I use Mr. Beast. The first time I used Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast is one of the.
I know, yeah, I know.
So the first time I used Mr. Beast, they put his face.
Wow.
I prompted it.
Is it customized?
Yeah, that's why it's good to pay attention.
Yeah.
So what I now put on my prompt is I need a professional thumbnail.
Okay.
Mr. Beast style.
Okay.
And make sure you don't put his face.
Yeah.
No logo.
Okay.
Yes, and most times if I'm doing that my SEO optimization on Gemini, they will still give me a prompt that suits the idea of the live stream or the video.
Okay. Is that thing I have to understand more? I have to get to know this thing very well.
No, yeah, I won't lie to you. I will not lie to you. Your thumbnails are your thumbnails are good, but
thank you.
Share them as I talk.
Yeah, done.
Just a second.
You're done.
ChatGPT.
Okay.
Because they go keep am for
Yeah.
Okay, good. I've gotten it. I keep the format on ChatGPT because my Gemini is always busy.
Okay.
So no. Let me go back to Gemini. So this thing is so easy. But one thing I can't say is I don't know how many thumbnails or image limits on Gemini in a day.
Okay, but how many do you do in a day? How many do you do in a day? How many do you do in a day?
Come again.
How many thumbnails do you do on it a day?
Sorry, I don't hear you.
I said the Gemini, the thumbnail, how many do you create in a day?
Yes, I don't know how many thumbnails you can create, but I can say I have created over 20 a day.
Okay. Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I heard you. Yeah. I dey hear you. Abi network dey fail? Let me call you back. Hey. B. Folic acid, iron, and this one has folic acid and iron. Not Bico. This medicine has Bico. That's why you put me so that we chop my meat. And iron. Maybe this all should be. Come. How is the water in the pot and the plantain?
The soup is getting hot, but there's no inside. Kind of smell.
Very burnt. Oh.
Yes.
People should turn it into another pot. Move and turn it into another pot. And once you put it into the pot, let me know so that I'll come and add oil. Hello? Yes, okay, it's better now. Okay. Okay, sorry. I've seen this thing dropped. Okay. Okay. It go big, yeah. 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 Okay. 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 This afternoon I won't cook soup, so it's like na him I go use now. That okay. Okay. Wow. 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 Okay. Mm. Mm. You put them for fun. Yeah. Now use it as thumbnail. Okay. I'll check them. Mm. 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 Yeah, it's yes, so yes, so you don't want why I drop as I drop. The thing dey look like that. Now as I beg, please, I don't want to see any reddish. And then remove and give me white. Even when I do zobo now, that thing gave me now because of the zobo, the this thing. So when I now saw the thing, I said, ah, what caused it? So I now went to my thumbnail, now changed the this thing before they now remove that restriction. Mm, mm, okay. Mm, mm. They'll just be throwing questions. Mm. Uh, just like that, this one is sleep. I dey sleep, I dey see one that dey call me. But to drop the answer, they let it go. Okay, better. No, 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 dey for iPhone na me, no be Tecna dey use. It's Tecna I use o. Mm. You know one thing about phone, if you set it to, I think, 10, the normal YouTube, there's this camera setting. Yes, there's this camera setting. Once you set your camera to that level, it helps a lot. Now when I go, you know that because of my media house, we had one guy that came from Abuja. I think those ones that they go abroad do with them. So when he came, he was trying to set our office camera to that digital level. So when he was setting it, he now said our phones too can be set to that digital level. So immediately as he said that, he needs to, I just switch over, start to use it. So any phone I get, then I will just move on to that stage. Mm. Yeah, just check for the setting to the highest, just set that to the highest. No, na Tecna dey use. Na Tecna dey use. Tecna. Mm. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Very good. Mm. Okay. African. But they say iPhone cameras, they're very fine. Just like this lady that was asking about thumbnail. Her thumbnail is very good. This is a unique one. Unique one. That's her. That her thumbnail wey always dey do like say one day a bit reddish, but I don see somebody wey dey use almost similar kind of I know it's there her ear, depending on which one she dey use. You dey replace am here. Mm. Mm. Yeah. Because this morning now, I took a unique notes, put it on chat, it was telling me, do we what please let me see first. Yes, me too. I've solved with that long ago before I even have better in this house. That my early channel time. Yeah. Mm. Mm. Yeah. 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 People are afraid of the 1,000, 1,000. Mm. She want money now. She want money. She want money. She don't want bother. Mm-hmm. Why not? Uh-huh. Mm. 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 Money no. Uh-huh. What she do? Mm-hmm. Where she pay? Because this YouTube something support you support each other. We are here to support each other to help ourselves before the main audience will get us. Mm. Mama, you can say it here. Sorry, I will talk about it. You don't know anything. Mm. My dear, that life. After I go gist you wetin happen. No, my elder sister, no, I told you I have a older sister that is with me. For some time now, me and her just somehow, na me come out for her back sha. She's a medical doctor, so that's why when you were talking about this paper or something, I say she. No, that's my niece is different. That one is our first daughter's daughter, but this one is my direct elder sister, and na me come out for her back. She's a medical doctor wey dey UK, but all those things dem, she no get time. I was surprised yesterday. She drop message on that my birthday in the night. So I think, but before we finish, I didn't even know that she has called. I didn't pick the call. I didn't get the listing. So in the morning when I woke up, and that's why she not send. I now sent her a voice note. I will call her in the evening, knowing that because of her kind of job, I will call her in the evening. So that yesterday evening, she now called. So she said, talking to me, she said, your birthday on YouTube, what's happening on YouTube? No, I said, I'm on YouTube. I said, she didn't know. I said, that's great. I said, that's important. She got the thought, that's okay. The party is there, you can go there and watch. She said, true? Oh, that's nice. So what do you do there? I started explaining. And I said, okay, so do they pay you? I said, yeah, they paid me in March. She said, that's good, that's a nice one. I said, okay, thank God, don't know say your sister no be push girl. So you can see that, when somebody, I don't know, there is a way somebody will look at you, fine, I'm my younger sister. There is a way somebody will look at you. And maybe when you start doing something that maybe they give how will I put it? They give respect to people that do those things. And now found out that you can do it. There is not a respect for you. My dear. So she has been there. She was there before I got married. Yeah. Although that initial time she was like, we should come over. My husband say, leave me abroad and go and come. He likes going and coming back. Say no one go stay there permanent. If not, I could not move. But after me now, she just like, she came here and married her husband, carry her husband, go there. The man they are doing, she be married. Saying don't enter good law. Yes. He's doing a full-time pastor job. Now she dey work the run house. So the guy say, no, yeah. So this YouTube something, me as I embrace them, I don't embrace them finish. So during my husband, when I go dey talk, so okay, let me do. He go say, no, focus on this one that is bringing money now. This one has started producing money. Na the game I go do. The girls my man and the second one, I don't talk say even if I dey try the I will be part of it. All of us will do am. Yeah. I saw Kosi own now. After the first one, now she had got a 20 something 20 something K video. I was like, wow. I bet today, maybe today's I'll just I'll try whether today. I'll just after I cook finish, if I'm still strong, I'll just do am. Anyway, at least like yesterday when I dey gist with my other sister before, because that after the party my BP was very low. I think it was 106 or so. So I said to take my medicine. I slept. As I enter room, as I sit down, if you see how weak I was. So on my mind, I said, all this dance, my BP no go go up. When I checked, it was 106. I said, so that means I cannot take my night medicine. And my doctor warned me that I shouldn't miss my medicine. So all of them, the two say my BP medicine, I should always take it. I said, okay, so I now took other drugs, now left the BP medicine that maybe between the night I will wake up and take it. I didn't know that the time I woke up was around 1. So I now took the medicine. So when I took that medicine that time, so in the morning too, when I checked my BP 101, 104, just like the thing was just low. I was just like, when I now told my husband, I said that you took the medicine around 1, so now it's working on the body. So because of that, I shouldn't take the morning one. I said, okay. I left it till that evening when my other sister called, as we were talking, and I started telling her my illness and everything. Before I go know, I started feeling somehow in my body. I was like, I'm feeling cold, my teeth want to like shake. I told my daughter, come and check my BP. When she checked, 150 something and over 100. I just quickly rushed my medicine because all through the morning I didn't take anything now. So I just quickly rushed the medicine, took everything, went inside and sat, and after some time I slept. But around, I think that was around 2 and this, so I now woke up again. My mind was like, this BP again won't start to be worrying me. I just had to take sleeping tabs and I slept. This morning I woke up, checked it, the thing is okay now. I think it's 116 or 115. So it's okay now. Why would you? No, I have it at home. Yes, please. No, you need it. I wasn't having. I've been begging my husband. Anytime you know that they sell all these medical things in town, it's near my church. So whenever I was saying you need church, because he does their audit, the church audit. So when he was going, I said, please check and ask for the price so that I can buy it. Then I forget. Till that day that BP issue, I now called my neighbor that works with Ajib. She's an Ajib nurse. I now called her. She said that she come over, let her check. When she checked, and the thing was like, I said, Mother, you don't have it in your house. I said, I don't have. She said she had to. She gave to her church people. Hey, she now checked. Now said she take the medicine. So I was still there, just sitting there. The husband came. The husband is an Ajib worker. So as the man now came, the man now said, now water for there too. Now water. So the man now said, Mother, oh, sorry, BP. Tell him to the house. He's taking his medicine. That she take it easy. His brother in US has for 15 years. They've been taking their drugs. That there is nothing there. So far as they're taking your drugs, you'll be okay. As we were just talking, he now left us. Went to the one story building there with fence. So the fence is his room. He now went there and came back. As he came back, my dad came with a new pack. Use it to check himself and said, Madam, take. Please, you and your dad should be using it to check. When I went to one pharmacy and I saw it and I had to say 89,000, I said, God. I no fit thank the people. I no fit thank the people. The next day I said, my husband called the man down. No, sir, nothing, just for now, just check. So anytime you go abroad, you always buy new ones to come. So you always dey buy. So why you go dey for house saying no. So mother, take it gave us one to be checking my mom. But I don't know those ones that have those pump this thing. The rubber, the elastic just melted. Yes. So I can't use it. Then we have one other small one that we use for our wrist. But that one too has spots. So I said, I thank God that let person no go die unnecessarily. Because at times my own midnight, if I sleep, if I just before I sleep, if I check, it might be low. But within the night, around 1, 2, if I get up and check, my BP is high. Because I even told the doctor that the BP is low. So instead of me taking that 80 milligrams, he now said, okay, I should make it half. That day, my BP was low, and I took half. No, this one, they take a temistatin. That one. So that one, 80 milligrams, it gets to 40 and 80. So it's in 80 and losing. So he now said, okay, if it's low at night when I want to sleep, I can take half and sleep. I said, okay. That night I took half and sleep. Midnight, because like they were using needle and nail to be knocking on my head. I looked at I said, oh, what is happening? What is happening? I didn't understand myself. And that was my head, come. The people in my head, the left side table, my bed, I don't know how I started to get the function. Let me check. It was I said, what happened? What are you? I said, I sleep at the sleep, but one side they think again. He said in your subconsciousness, maybe your something that I've talked about, so the thing is now replaying as I'm sleeping. I say, wow. Immediately as I just throw the other 40 milligrams into my mouth, and so my body just calm. It just calm. So now most times when I notice in the night, say the BP dey low, I go dey jog. Yeah, I go jog so that as I dey jog, I will check. I will jog. One is reach like 115, 114, 116. I will not take that medicine. Because I don't want to get that encounter right there. Because my other sister, even the message she sent to me, he said I should send the names of the drugs to her. As I said, he said they are good combination. That if it is you, that I can take her. But I'm not answer. I said, okay, thank you, sister. But I know it's in a long face. So gone for midnight, the thing will come with me. And the thing as yesterday as my daughter was checking, the thing was just from 190 something. And now when the thing will reach first, then now start coming down. As the thing just showed 150 something, I said, I just shut my door. Remove, be my medicine, be my water, be my food. Immediately, anxiety, that fear don't come in. Say, how come something that we just check this evening, how come is this high? You have to be very careful. This is very bad. So my sister, they say, make I make sure my lifestyle get to change my food. And so already I'm trying to change your meal, no easy for house, nobody will be the children. So you say cut down salt. I say yes. When I eat rice, that's if I'm cooking for only myself, I don't have salt. If I'm cooking yam, I don't have salt. Now one person have even their own. And then they too much put small, just small salt. I'll go get this sea salt. I'm doing it. If you want it, you go feel by your food. Because I won't carry the maybe. Yeah, I use the North Cube. North Cube doesn't have much of salt in it. North Cube doesn't have salt in it, so I don't stick to it. But the salt, I want to buy. Before I used to use this sea salt until I didn't see it again, so I will go and get sea salt. That one is better. But You just to reduce it. Just to reduce it. Mm.
Nah,
Yeah.
nah, nah.
Okay. Maybe I will do games, so Anthony said we should do games. We'll do games today. That game that will be changing dreams. I don't like the games. We'll buy lollipop. Anybody that wins will take lollipop. Yeah. Yeah. Can you imagine? You will call that one. Yeah. But how would you? But other twin daughter, they tell her now, say she will do. Because when the money will come, everybody will partake. The husband to make one they join the hustle. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's it. That's it. Now when she should only use bottle machine game. I also think which type to do person will use. Mm. 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 Especially in TikTok. There are many on TikTok, but for YouTube, I know they see them like that. Mm. Yeah, maybe they change, yeah. Mm. Okay. Okay. Mm. Yeah, yeah. To be a big difference. Mm. Who be small? Who be small? Who be small? God no go gree. You know, get to that stage. You know, get to that stage. You know, when I was talking, Aisha, you know, we chatted now. I sent her the birthday this thing. She dropped her this thing. So later when we were talking, she now said, I now told her that I know she said she was looking for my name now, the channel as Victoria's Heart. And when she went there, she didn't say anything. So I now told her, say she, now me also make she know this that I don't demonetize and they are open another one. She said, so the same thing happened to her. Say she get to appeal. No, she's in Italy now. So she get to appeal, struggle before they now give it back to her. She said, can you imagine? So many people will just dey face this thing. I don't know what is their problem. I don't know what is their problem. Mm. 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 Yeah, that's what I'm on. I elderly people now they join. They come, they shout me, they say, no, no. And then like, it's fun now. Mm. So if now you're doing it, your category, what are you going to put entertainment? Okay, just leave it open. Mm. 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 Okay. Yeah, misleading people. Okay. Mm. Mm. Okay. Mm. Mm. They don't even they put the grease finish, so they don't put finish. Oh, Allah, Allah, thank you, yeah, Allah. So have you put down the names? Goma, have you put down the names? Eh? I'm not hearing you. Sorry. I've not put seasoning and pepper. You people should check it well. Eh? You people should check it well. The batteries are full. B, is that what you were telling me? B, were you telling me that all my batteries are full? Okay, thank you. When you go check it, everyone. Put two first. There you go. B, the lines are between, I thought. About you sit there. You break it. Okay, sure. Anyway, fine for you said the guy removed the seed. Hmm? I don't know. Maybe what's that there?
Most of them will finish eating. Now finish with the body to get just with me.
Whose style is that?
I don't know. You don't have anything. I don't know. Just something unconscious here.
When we finish, you will check the phone battery, how many percent? Go on, go. Big girl, big girl. Mama bear, come and carry this thread back to the guest room. Okay. Give me my phone. Girl, I think there is hot water.
Yes, yes, yes.
Give me my phone. Carry down my house clothes. Then turn water inside the bucket for me. And you put that on the bed in the room. Oh, Dara. Oh, Dara. Oh, Dara. Oh, Dara. For the Lord is good, and His mercy endureth forever. And His mercy endureth forever. He's so good, He's so good, God is good. He's so Oh, Dara, oh, Dara. Oh, Dara, oh, Dara, eh. Oh, Dara. Oh, Dara. For the Lord is good, and His mercies endureth forever. Oh, Dara. God is good, He's so good. He's so the bright lights. God is good. He's so good. For the Lord is good. B, did you know when they took the light? This is 12:38. Bebele. For the Lord is good, oh. My God is good, oh. Big girl, big girl, please come. Big come now before I forget this time. People should go open gate for fire for you. Bien belle. Bien belle. Boma. Boma. And they did buy the marker. God bless you. Thank you. You
Marco,
bought it from here. How much?
300.
Wow. Why didn't you buy it in the market now?
It's not problem. I will carry.
Yeah. This will not be more money. Thank you. Boma. Boma. You shouldn't start the stealing of the meat yet, yeah? Let me finish this one so that because I will go live when I'm doing that one. Take a shot, please. Okay, so let's solve. The formula is a square plus b square minus 5. That's what we're supposed to use. So here will now come 2 square plus 3 square. That will give us 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 will give us 13. 13 minus 5. That gives us 8. So the next one is 4 square plus 5 square Four square is 4 times 4, 16, plus 5 times 5, 25. That's equal to 5 plus 5, 6, 11, write 1, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 41. 41 minus 5 gave us 36. I hope it's still in the range. Okay. Give us 36. Okay. So the next one, okay, 6 square plus 7 square. That will give us 36 plus 49. That gave us 9 plus 6 is 15. You write 5, carry 1. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 minus 5 equals 80. So the next one, 8 square plus 9 square give us 8 times 8, 64 plus 81. That's equals to this plus this is 5, 145. It's not showing me. I need to fix it. Let it dry up, then I'll complete it. The one is too close to the equal to, so you won't see it all. So let me allow it to dry up a bit then. I continue. Okay, it should be dry now. So 84 plus 81, 64 plus 81 will give us 145 minus 5. That gave us 140. So this one, so we've come to the unknown. Since we've been solving for this other one, so it's the unknown that doesn't have answer. So as we've used this formula to solve this, and this, and got the corresponding answer, so that means we'll use the same formula and it will work for this. So 10 square plus 11 square, that's equals to 10 times 10 is 100. 100 plus 11 times 11 is 121. So that will give us 221 minus 5. That's equals to 216. Some people got the answer 216. Answer. So 216 is the answer. And some not too many people, but few people got the answer. Yeah, few people got the answer 216. So you're welcome to today's puzzle. Winding down gradually. So let me see the people that got it. Okay. Right now, Tari Hadipu. Okay, you got it right. 216. Okay, 216. You wrote it so many times. 216. That's nice. Kudos to you for that. Yeah, kudos to you. Kudos to you. Okay. Pinwell says 67. No, it's not 67. Ramanathan said 21 is wrong. Spell said 251 is wrong. Okay. Diarani said 216, you're right. Silly said 21, you're wrong. Okay, Ishak said 216. Ishak, you're right. You're right. Let me see another person. Okay, Tajani said 97. 97 is wrong. Okay. Eline said 220. No, you're wrong. Okay. Murad said 161. You're wrong, Murad. The answer is 216. 216, yeah. Tiavun, yeah, 216. You're right. That's the right answer. Okay, Prash 214. You're wrong. Okay, Harian said 216. You're right. Kesh, you're right. Kesh 216. You're right. So that is that. So the answer is 216. 216. 216 is the answer. So let me give you some time to just check it before I stop this. I already have another live stream to do. So I want to just round up this then before I go to that one. Hmm?
You have a wireless,
Oh, Perry.
you
Yeah.
have a wireless mouse.
Wireless mouse. Check my office. I don't think I have because you're supposed to have a. You're supposed to put the other aspect to the computer.
Okay, I think down the top.
Optical. Check. I don't know. Check the locker. Perry, good morning. Good morning, my dear everyone in the chat. Thank you. Good morning. I'm just in your chat. Welcome. How are you? Yeah, I remember you, the young man that said he was going to eat. Have you eaten now? Have you eaten? Oh, you go shower. Oh, that's nice. So how are you feeling now? You're feeling refreshed, Shay? So I've just done the maths, I've done the solution. It's there. So the formula, oh, you're a girl. Oh, sweet girl. That's nice. That's nice. Keep it up. Okay, so the solution is top there. A square plus B square. After you've added it, you will now take away 5 from it. I hope you'll be able to do it now on your dad's account. Oh, no problem, no problem, no problem. So this is the solution. Look at it. A square plus B square, all bracket, minus 5. So you square 10 plus you square 11. Then you add them together. You add the answer together. Then you subtract 5 from it to give you the answer. So I've just done the correction, or I've just given out the solution. So you can use the formula to do it because I've used it for each one and I've written the answer. So Perry, how are you? Are you at work or you're at home? Today is Saturday. Oh, so it's good morning. Good morning, Perry. Perry, are you still there? Okay, I'm waiting, baby girl. Solve and look at it. 216. I know your last answer was 2010. Your last answer was 2010, and I told you were very close to it. Yeah, your last answer was 2010, and I told you were very close to it. But right now, the real answer is 216, not 20. Yeah, 216. Your answer was 2010. Did you get it, Fayefori? Ofofo, did you get a mouse? My own office, the lockers. You didn't see any this thing. Okay, check that upside if you see mouse. If you don't see, come and check my laptop bag. Put water where? Is it on? You can cover the bucket for me. Please go and pump water. I told Bebele, she put the water there, not turn it on. She didn't come back to tell me. Please go and pump water. Quick. Who asked you to take phone to the shower? Who asked you to take your phone to the shower? And you're expecting me to hear me as you're showering? Can you imagine? Who does that? I only do that when I want to listen to music. Yeah, when I want to listen to music, that's when I do that. Yeah, and at times as you're doing it, you have to stop at a point to listen. But it's music, so it's something you just fly along with. Not when you're doing puzzle. And you're telling me you can't hear me. So you stop, clean your hands and not type. Oh, Did you see anyone? Come and check. Come and check. There must be whole wired now. Check my laptop bag. Check inside that my blue container where I put my hard drive. I think that one too is wired now. There is one that is without wire, but I don't know where that sensor.
Okay, you don't know where the sensor is.
You're supposed to plug the sensor to the laptop, then you will not use it like that, wireless. You understand? Did you see any mouse there? No, I see inside the blue one. No mouse. Check my bag. There's supposed to be a mouse. I have a mouse that I used to take to the office. Oh, I didn't leave it there. There is a mouse that's supposed to be in my bag. When I want to do something with mouse, I bring it out. Just check all the small corners. You see a mouse. But there is one on that shelf now. Inside that locker, if you open that my locker, did you check well? The three cabinets, the three now.
Okay, the three.
You have to check the three. I have up to like 4-5 mouse there that are working. Quick. I have like 4-5 that are working there. That means I've left my mouse in the office. Now maybe I gave it to somebody, then I didn't take it back. Biebele. Biebele. Shey. Please pump water. You left that water running. You left the water in the bathroom running. Go and pump water. Are you hearing me? Are you pumping the water? Oh. Which style is this one now? Boma. She went to put hot water for me. Now left the tap running till now Fine came back from market. And I'm talking, she's there singing plenty. See, put water on the fire for me. Put water on the electric distance so that I can use that one. The tank is full. Okay, it's 7:57 in the evening here. Oh, okay, so which country are you watching me from, baby girl? Okay, White Chocolate, thank you for joining me, White Chocolate. How are you? Like plus subscribe to the channel, please. Double tap yours. White Chocolate. White Chocolate, which country this?
It's like those ones that you were talking about. I've already carried them to test before. I think those ones are in my room. But
You pack all the ones in my office.
I think I took those ones to test before when I was checking with that desktop thing. So those are the ones we're talking about. But I didn't see the wireless one.
I don't think there is any wireless one, but those ones in my office, they are working. I said them, that was why I kept them in the locker there. Have you checked the locker? The three. Why would they still be there when you finish? Why won't you return it? That's something about this thing. Use your daddy's own now. Oh, white chocolate. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You said so. Maryland, Maryland. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I was okay. Cambodia, Cambodia, Cambodia. Cambodia, are they close to Mexico? Hmm. Cambodia, I know that name. I know Cambodia, but I don't know which part of the world they are. Cambodia. Asia. Okay, Cambodia is in Asia. White chocolate that refused to give me chocolate. White chocolate, where is my chocolate? Okay, they are close to Thailand. Cambodia is close. Yeah, Asia. Yeah, you're right. Thank you. Yeah, yeah, Southeast Asia. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Close to Thailand. Close to Thailand and Vietnam. Yeah, okay.
Somebody from Thailand.
Hmm?
Thailand.
What?
Thailand.
Thailand. No, they're talking about Cambodia. So it's close to Thailand. Okay. Happy Saturday, everyone. Happy Saturday to you, sweetheart. White chocolate. Okay. Okay, that's the capital and the largest city. Hmm.
What is it?
Now, I'm not talking to you. When I was talking to you, you were busy singing. Please wash out all those things. I don't want to say anything on the cabinet. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Yeah, all the way from Cambodia, Asia. Ah, I don't know. It's white chocolate that happy Saturday, everyone. So I feel it's Saturday too there. Hanko Empire, Royal Palace, National Museum, Phenom, okay, and the bustling riverfront dining and calf scene. Okay, towns like Sihanouk Villa offer access to serene tropical highlands such as Konk Rank. Okay, okay, this is your flag, I think so. Yeah, Cambodia is it sounded like a fine city. Yeah. Okay, people have mountains, low-lying plains, low-lying plain, Mekong Delta, mountains and Gulf of Thailand. Mm-hmm. Okay. Is the summer break for me? Okay, summer break for you. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. So are you enjoying your summer break? Mm? How are you enjoying it? You're enjoying my puzzle. So how are you enjoying your summer break? Bye. You go and sleep by 7:35. I'll be 7:55. Is it not too early to sleep by now? Mm. Okay, thank you. Good night. Bye bye. Have a sweet night. Sweet dreams. Good night, sweetheart. Good night, girl. It's time to go because I still have another live stream to do. I'm sure the number is no longer going higher and higher. So okay, so who is there? Say hi. Say hi. Let me know if you're still solving or you're looking at what I've done. Yeah.